Are you prepared for an emergency situation? Today we're discussing 20 prepping supplies under $20 that can make a difference during a crisis. Let's begin with water purification tablets. These tiny lifesavers can turn questionable water into safe drinking water, a vital resource in any emergency. Next up, an LED flashlight. Compact yet powerful, it's a reliable source of light when you need it most. The third item on our list is waterproof matches. Even in wet conditions, these matches can spark a fire, providing warmth and the ability to cook food. Fourth, the emergency blanket. Lightweight and compact, this foil blanket reflects body heat, providing critical warmth. Last in this segment, but certainly not least, the multi-tool. This compact gadget houses various tools from a knife to a screwdriver, making it a versatile companion in crisis situations. These are just the first 5 items you need to consider. Let's move on to the next set. Continuing with our list, we've got some more essential items that won't break the bank. Sixth on our list, we have duct tape. Known for its durability and adhesiveness, duct tape is perfect for quick repairs and securing items. It's a must-have in any survival kit. Moving on to number 7, an emergency whistle. This small but mighty tool can attract attention and signal for help when you're in a bind. Next, we have paracord. This strong, versatile rope can be used for a myriad of applications, from building shelters to making traps. Our 9th item is bandages and adhesive tape. These are essential for first aid, allowing you to treat wounds and prevent infections. And rounding off our list at number 10, we have a portable water container. This allows for easy storage and transportation of water, ensuring you're never left thirsty. These items are not just practical, but can also be lifesavers in certain situations. Now on to the next 5 items. We're halfway through our list, and every item we discuss becomes more important. Next up, we have emergency food bars. Compact and packed with nutrition, these bars are a lifesaver when fresh food is nowhere to be found. Moving on, we have disposable gloves. Hygiene and protection are of utmost importance in emergencies, and these gloves are a simple solution to that need. Next, let's talk about Mylar bags. These bags are excellent for preserving food and protecting sensitive items from harsh conditions. Now, hand sanitizer might seem like a mundane item, but when water is scarce, it's a crucial tool for maintaining hand hygiene. Last in this segment, but certainly not least, is a solar-powered phone charger. Keeping communication devices powered can be a challenge during emergencies, but with this, you can harness the power of the sun to stay connected. These are just a few of the many affordable and essential items you can add to your emergency kit. Let's check out the last 5 items on our list. We're down to the last 5 items that are not only cost-effective, but also highly useful in any emergency situation. A rain poncho will keep you dry during inclement weather, ensuring your comfort and preventing potential health risks. Emergency candles, apart from providing light, can also provide warmth and can even be used to start a fire. A whistle with a built-in compass is a 2-in-1 tool for signaling and navigation. Ziploc bags are an essential item to keep your supplies organized and protected from moisture. Lastly, safety goggles are a must-have to protect your eyes from debris and hazardous materials. Remember, being prepared isn't about fear, it's about empowerment. With these 20 items, you'll be ready to face any emergency situation. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay prepared.